Today I'm going to show you how to manually create a purchase order for a vendor using the purchasing module in QuoteWerks. The first step in the process is to make sure you have created a vendor record for your vendor in vendor maintenance. Vendor maintenance is accessed by clicking on vendors from the left navigation panel. You'll want to make sure that you have the vendor's information, including an address and a contact with a valid email address, as this is required to be able to send them a purchase order via email. As you can see, we have a vendor with the vendor name of demo items. Once you have confirmed that your vendor exists in vendor maintenance, you'll want to make sure that you have items on the quote that are associated with this vendor. You can confirm this by checking the vendor column in the Quote Workbook. This column is most effectively updated by pulling products from a product database with the same name. For the purchase order process to work, it is important that the vendor name in vendor maintenance and the vendor column are an exact match. In today's example, we have products that have been pulled in from the demo items database. Once you have confirmed your vendor exists in vendor maintenance and you have products on the quote that you wish to create a purchase order for, you can convert the quote to an order. This is done automatically after a customer accepts the quote in Quote File A, or you can do it manually by going to File and selecting Convert to Order. This will bring up the Convert to Order window. Click on OK to mark this quote as closed and create an open order. With an open order created, we can now navigate to the purchasing window by clicking on Purchasing from the left navigation panel. This brings us to the Purchasing tab. The Purchasing tab lists all products that are included on open orders that have not yet had a purchase order or electronic order created for them. On the top left of the window, you can choose to sort this list by the currently open order or multiple orders to batch products together and order them on a single purchase order. For today's example, we'll select multiple orders. Next, we will use the Select Vendor dropdown and select Demo Items, as this is the vendor we wish to source these products from. We can select the products we would like to include on the order by clicking the radio button next to the item or items that we would like to order. Once selected, we will click Manually Create PO at the bottom of the screen. Doing so opens the Create Purchase Order for Demo Items window. Here we can assign the order a PO number and input different pieces of information like the ref ID, flooring account, description, and the ship to information. The ship to information can be pulled from different fields in the system like the ship to, sold to, or bill to contacts, or the sales rep location or our location as configured in the system. There is also a section for PO notes where you can input notes about the purchase order. If you are connected to QuickBooks Online and configured it, there will also be a box you can check to export the purchase order to QuickBooks. Note that if you wish to export to QuickBooks, you must also have a vendor with the exact same name in your QuickBooks instance, otherwise you will receive an error and the export to QuickBooks will fail. Once everything has been filled out, click on OK and the purchase order will be created. You will receive confirmation that the PO was created. It will list the purchase order number, and from this confirmation window you can save the PO as a PDF or email the PO directly from the QuoteWerks system. When we click on Email PO, the Send Email window opens with our vendor contact in the To field and the purchase order in the body of the email. Here you can add a note for your vendor or simply click Send to send the email. Sent emails will be saved to the user's sent email box on their configured email client. With the PO sent, you can now click Close on the QuoteWerks PO Created window. With the PO created, we can now click on the Purchase Orders tab, and you can see our newly created PO is listed in the list of POs. You'll note that it has the date, an M that stands for manual, the vendor name, the PO number, and a shipment status of submitted. On this screen, you can see lists of items that were included on the PO, and there are areas for you to add tracking and serial information and even receive the items when they are delivered. If you right-click on the purchase order, there are a number of different options, including the ability to edit the PO, update the PO ETA, email PO information, and close the PO, among other actions. As you can see, it's easy to manually create a PO from the QuoteWerks purchasing window. If you have questions or would like to learn more about purchasing in QuoteWerks, feel free to reference the help files or contact the team at 407-248-1481.